Exercise 6.3, question number 5. S and T are points on the side of PR and QR of a triangle PQR, and such that angle P and angle RTS are equal. Now show that the triangle RPQ and triangle RTS are similarly. Okay, now first we will draw a triangle. Which name triangle? Triangle PQR. Now a P, Q and R, and so S is a point on PR and QR is a point of QR. Okay, that QR, and join the line is called the is S and T. Okay, and ask angle P, this is the angle P, is equal to angle RTS. Where is the RTS? RTS. Okay, it's mean the two angles are equal. Now you prove. It's mean first we will write given is a in triangle PQR, S and T points on PR and QR. Okay, and one condition was the angle P is equal to angle RTS. Okay, and you show that you prove that the triangle RPQ is similarly triangle of RTS. Where is that triangle RTS? Triangle RTS. Okay, now solve in triangle RPQ. Okay, in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, their two triangles will be congruent. So in this the question is asked the proof कि triangle RPQ and triangle RTS are congruent. Yes. Now suppose will be a first triangle in the way P, Q and R, and second triangle will T, because angle T and P are similarly, so you have make a same position of T and Q, then R and S. Okay, in this the angle is angle 1. A P is equal to angle of T is the given. Angle P and angle T is equal, it is given. And second will angle R is equal to angle R is a common angle. This the angle is common angle. They are in right to you the RPQ, triangle RP similarly to angle to RTS by condition angle. 6 is given in the figure. If a triangle ABE, where is the triangle ABE? ABE. Okay, and triangle ACD, AC and D, this type two triangles is BAE, and here we will triangle. Okay, the second part is ACD, that the ADC. There are two triangles are congruent. Congruent means they all parts of equal to this angle, and show that the triangle ADC, where is the triangle ADC? The small triangle ADC is similar to big triangle ABC. Okay, now in given that the triangle ABE is congruent triangle ACD. It is given that both triangles are congruent. It's mean we write the side of AC equal to side of AC equal to this side and equal to AB. Yeah, you write AB first, right? No problem. AB equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, and second side is AE equal to AD. This side is equal this side, and this side is equal to this side, and third side will be equal to third side. Now first is AB is equal to AC. It's you write AB upon AC is equal to 1, and second condition will write AE upon AD equal to 1. It's mean you write AB upon AD and equal to, here we AB upon AC and AE upon AD. This is the equation 1. Okay, AB is equal to AC and AE is equal to AD. Now AC will transfer to AB upon AC is equal to 1, and similarly to AE, AD to transfer AE upon AD is equal to 1, because they are equal sides, the ratio are equal. Now first condition will be both right hand side are equal, left hand side value is also equal. Now then other two triangles is ADC, and in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, small triangle and big triangle. Okay, here will be according to exercise that AB upon AC is equal to AE upon AD from equation 1. Okay, and one angle is angle of A full form we write the angle of BAC equal to angle of DAC. BAC and the second angle is DAE. Okay, it is common angle. Okay, so the sides is AB upon AC. AB upon AC. So you have it change the sign. You write the AB upon AE will change here, and AC upon AD. So this is the two condition, AB upon AE, AB upon AE, but AE equal to AD. So you write AD and AD equal to AC, that be AE, because they all sides are equal. Now we triangle of ADE, similar triangle of ABC. Why? SAS Cartesian. Two sides are ratio and one angle. Question number 7. In figure, the altitude of AD and CE. In the figure is given that in the triangle ABC and AD is a altitude, means the angle of this is 90, and second is CE is also altitude. It means this is the angle of 90. The intersect of the point P, means their point of P. Okay, and show that the 4 question first will be 4 triangles are the similarly. It first is given that AEP similar to CPD. So first will be APB and CPB will be separate to draw a triangle. So APE, where is the APE? APE. So this type of triangle E, P and A. Okay, and second CDP, CDP. So is the D and P will common same place, and there is the C. Okay, triangle AEP, AEP, second CP, CDP, CDP, this triangle, means first will be this triangle and second this. Now write proof. In first will be write is in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Okay, now we have angle of AEP, angle of AEP equal to angle of CDP. Why? Because it is a 90 angles. Okay, and angle of APE, where is the APE, and common to angle CPD. Why? Because this is the common angle. It's mean the triangle of AEP similar triangle of CDP. Why? It is the angle Cartesians. Okay, now second is given that the triangle. Second question is you proof. We will write in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Okay, so first will we draw a rough diagram, separate diagram of given two triangles. Which triangle? ABD. Where is the ABD? ABD. This is the DAB. Okay, and second triangle CBE. Where is the CBE? CBE. The CBE, it is the E is 90 angle and place of B is B and C here. Okay, similarly we have angle of ADB equal to angle of CED. ADC, angle of ADC and angle of CED is equal. Its both angle is value is 90. Now second is angle of ABD. Where is the ABD? ABD. This angle equal to angle of CBE, because B and B are common, so that CBE and the common angle. That means ABD similar triangle to CBE. Why? Angle. Okay, the first and two is solved. Now start that the third is given in triangle AEP. This is the third, and triangle ADB. We have first will be now draw the separate AEP. Where is the AEP? AEP. This is the triangle of this shape is E and A and P. Second is ADB. Where is the ADB? ADB. Now write the angle of D is angle 90. The same you draw 90 and ADB. Okay, every angle of E and angle of D is a 90 and angle A and angle A is a common. We'll write angle of AEP equal to angle of ADB. Why? Because value of 90. Second, angle of PAD PAE equal to angle of BAD. Why? It is the common angle. Okay, now both are two angles will be confirmed. Now write the angle. Triangle AEP is similar triangle of ADB. Why? Is angle Cartesians. Okay, it's the fourth question. It is the third. Fourth is given in triangle PDC and triangle BEC. So first we have, now draw, first will be PDC. PDC is PDC. So this type of triangle, it is the 90 angle is D, C and P. Okay, second BEC. BEC, where is the BEC? And BEC, that E angle is 90. So we have draw the same is E and C and B. So triangle BEC. Okay, same here will be the one angle is 90 and second angle is a common. So you write in triangle, first will be angle of PDC equal to angle of PDC equal to angle BEC is a 90 degree. Second is angle of C, both are common. Okay, so write the PCD equal to angle of BCE is a common angle. Two angles will be match. Now write the triangle of PDC similar triangle of BEC. Why? Angle Cartesians. Okay, so that prove that fourth. Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD and at F. Show that the triangle APE and triangle CFB are similar. So first will be triangle. I'll make a triangle, a parallelogram. Okay, because given the A parallelogram ABC, so write the A, B, C and D. Okay, E is a point on the side of AD produced, means we have produced that side of is the point of E. Okay, and BE intersect on CD, so that means you have joined the BE. Okay, this the intersect point is a F. Now show that triangle ABE, where is the AEB, is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, in it is given, what is the given, that the ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means that the BC is parallel to AD and second line will write the BC parallel to AE, because AD will be produced from the E. Okay, now in triangle proof that the triangle ABE similar triangle of CFB. Okay, now we solve in triangle ABE. This is triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Okay, both triangle will be prove that is similarly. Then in triangle route B have now first will be triangle is angle of AEB equal to triangle angle CBFY. Okay, it is the alternate angles. Why alternate angles? Because BC parallel to AE and EB is intersect. This is line of parallel, this line parallel, and this is the intersect line. The angle of their fill fall, and this is okay. Now this angle is angle 1, angle 2 is a alternate angles, and angle F and F means you write angle of BFC equal to angle of DFE. DFE is a which type angle? It's a vertically opposite angle. Okay, but it is not used now. That is the two triangles which is two triangles CFB and ABE. This is not used. Okay, now you draw the triangles. It is B, it is E, and it is A, and the triangle of CFB. Okay, this type CFB. Okay, that be this, and this angle is a alternate angle, and angle of A, full name is angle of BAE. BA and E is equal to angle of BCF. Why? It is a opposite angle of parallelogram, because this is the parallelogram. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so you write directly, you write is angle of ABE similar triangle of CFB is angle partitions. In the figure ABC and AMP are the right triangles, right angle at the point of B and M respectively. Means two triangles. First triangle is ABC is the triangle of B is a 90, and second triangle is APM, that M is the angle of 90. Okay, now you prove first will be triangle ABC. Where is the ABC? ABC similar to triangle APM. Okay, so here simply triangle of ABC you draw is BCA. Okay, this is 90, and remove, draw the similar to is M and P, and A place A and P. Okay, now you write in triangle is given that, and prove that is according to question we solve in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. We have first will be triangle of angle ABC is equal to angle of AMP. This angle and this angle are equal. Why? Because it is a 90 angle. Okay, and second is a angle A and angle A is a common. You write the CAB, angle CAB is equal to angle of PAM. It is the common angle. Okay, now write the triangle ABC, similar triangle of AMP. Why? Angle Cartesians. Okay, and second will be proof CP. Where is the CP? CA in ratio of PA and BC ratio of MP. Okay, now this is the first solution, and second from first is triangle of APC, similar triangle of AMP from first. Okay, the two triangles are similar, it means its sides are in a same ratio. So write the ratios is one side to one side is CA upon PA equal to BC upon MP. So this is the second solution. Peace.